Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate monday.com for project templates and automations, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate monday.com for project templates and automations, begin by logging into your monday.com account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile avatar. Click on your avatar and select Admin from the drop-down menu. In the Admin panel, locate the Integrations section on the left sidebar. Click on Integrations to view available integration options. Scroll down to find the API section in the Integrations list. Here, you'll see an option to generate an API token. Click on the Generate Token button to create a new API token. Once generated, copy the token and store it securely. Now, head over to the platform or application where you want to authenticate monday.com. Look for a section labeled API Authentication or Integrations. Paste the API token you copied earlier into the designated field. Make sure to save your changes after entering the token. Next, test the integration to ensure everything is working properly. Create a sample project template or automation to confirm that the authentication is successful. If the test is successful, you are all set to use monday.com with your chosen tools. If you encounter any issues, return to the admin panel to double-check your API token. Feel free to regenerate the token if necessary and repeat the authentication steps. Once authenticated, you can now fully utilize project templates and automations on monday.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.